So I uploaded a long-form video to Opus Clip, and this AI tool not only created 11 short-form videos, but also resized each video to a vertical format, added titles, descriptions, and colorful captions one by one, and prepared them ready to share on social media just with a single click. And in this video, we are going to use Opus Clip step by step, so you can understand whether this AI tool will be helpful for you or not. You can sign up to Opus Clip completely for free, and you can find the sign up link in the description part of my video. And after you sign up, you will land to this simple, clean dashboard. You can easily upload a video from your computer, or you can drop a video link from the internet, from YouTube, even without necessarily uploading it. You can actually upload any kind of video, but not to deal with copyright issues. It's always good to upload your own videos. And once you start uploading your videos, you can see them here below. Here we also see a description telling that the algorithm works best for talking kind of videos like podcasts, educational or commentary videos, and so on. If you try to upload vlogs or gaming or music videos, they might not perform that well. So for testing purposes, I'm going to upload a podcast education video. So let's add this video's link from the Think Media podcast. Paste the link here. Now here we see some upload settings. The first one is for the captions. For example, you can select the language of the captions. Currently it supports only these languages on this list here. This one is the credit usage. Since this video is around 40 minutes long, we need to use 40 minutes of credits for this video. But one of the best features is that they give you an option of saving your credits. You don't have to upload the complete video. Instead, you can choose this time frame to reduce it. So since this is 40 minutes long, let me, for example, choose somewhere in the middle of the video. Let's make it like around 15 minutes to save some time and some credits. On the top right side, we can see the number of credits you have. For example, currently I have around 2 hours of credits. That means I can upload here videos in total of 2 hours of length. If you use all of your credits, then you can add more credits from here. You can also choose the preferred clip length. And here you can filter the topics by keywords if you want to select specific topics, but this is an optional option and I will leave it as empty for now. And after you finish your settings, then you can click on this button to get the clips. Okay, the process has now started. You can see here the estimated waiting time. So we need to wait around 24 minutes. And once it is done, then they will send you a notification email. Here, if you prefer, you can also select the content type of your video. Since this is a podcast, I select the podcast option. And once the processing is completed, then we are going to continue. Okay, so after your videos are ready, you should receive this notification email. And when you click on this button, it will take you to the videos. If you also go to your dashboard, you can access to the same screen by clicking on the video after it is ready. So as you know, I took the 15 minutes of this video and Opus Clip created me 11 short videos by ranking them based on a virality score. Meaning that, for example, this video has a higher possibility to go viral on each platform, Shorts, TikTok and Reels, in comparison to other videos. It also assigned each video a title, a description explaining what the videos are about, what they did good, and what can be improved. Here on the left side, you can find the duration, the preview screen, and when we click on play, we can see the colorful auto captions. For editing the video, you need to click on this button, and it will take you to the video editing screen. Now here on the left side, we see the transcript of the video under the caption tab. The first thing you see here is the auto intro caption. If you toggle it on, it gives for this video a short introduction or a title generated by AI. And if you are not happy, you can always edit it by clicking on this button here. But I'm not going to use it for this video, so I will turn it off. If you look carefully, we also see that it includes, for example, an emoji and added different colors for the subtitles to increase the attention of the viewers, and it aims to increase the audience retention. If you are not happy with this emoji, you can click here and add another emoji from this list here, or you can completely delete it. Now if you click on a word, or if you select multiple words like this, you can, for example, set their highlight color. Let's make it, for example, green. And now we can see that they turned to green. You can also edit the word if you see any problem here like that. So let's make it, for example, great. And we see that this word has updated. So with the highlighting feature, you can either correct the caption, change the highlight color, or you can completely remove the text and the audio if you wish. If you click on this frame here, you can resize the frame like this, or you can drag it and show another part of this vertical frame. But the current version was great, so I am going to revert the changes by clicking on this undo button, so you can revert your changes easily. Let's move on with the design tab. If you click here, you will see here additional options. The first one is for auto caption. You can use 3 lines per page or 1 line per page like this. You can also change the position of the caption to the top or to the middle or to the bottom. You can add transitions if you prefer, like this. Let's just test this one, for example.
It's cool to see. Congratulations.
Here you can add a screen overlay, like a logo or a call to action. You can change the font family and the font size of your captions. You can make it all uppercase or not. You can change the font color. You can also change the color of the highlighter. If you would like to use it like another color, for example, you can do it here. You can also edit the layout of your video. If you use the fill option, then it fills the whole frame here. If you use the fit option, then you need to arrange the aspect ratio. Normally you want to keep it as fill or as auto, but if there are multiple people talking, then you can split the screen to 2, 3 or 4 sections, as you can see from these pictures here. Since there are 2 people talking here, it automatically changed the layout and divided it to 2 sections, which is actually very cool because otherwise you need to do all of them yourself. Another cool feature is splitting the video. So if you want to split a part of the video, just select the time frame and then click on the split button. And now this section has been splitted into 2 parts. Now if you prefer, you can also delete the sections that you don't want to include in the video. You just need to simply select the words, highlight the words from here, and when you click on backspace, then as you see, this part is erased, but it actually keeps the words here. So if you want, you can take it back, and if you click on backspace, then they will be hidden and they won't appear on the video. But you can also change the starting position simply by clicking on a word. For example, let's choose this one. Now if you click on the word and select set as start, this time the video will start from here. Let's play it again.
When it comes to content creation, and I highly recommend, of course.
Once you are finished with your editing, then click save and compile, and it will apply your changes to the video. If you click on the download button, then it will download the video to your computer. Otherwise, you can also share it directly to social media by clicking on this button here. You can easily connect Opus Clip to these social media accounts here. And if you choose click to post, then it will be posted, for example, on YouTube Shorts. They also give you the auto post feature if you decide to buy the Pro version. You can also check the pricing page for further details about the plans Opus Clip gives. Depending on the usage, they offer different pricing levels monthly and yearly, but you can sign up and start using it completely for free and understand and decide later whether this tool is for you or not from the link below in the description part of this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to learn more about Opus Clip and similar AI tools, then you can watch my next video.